At Titomic, we do cold spray additive manufacturing, cold spray repair and coatings, both high pressure and low pressure applications. And Titomic TKF 1000 is one of the high pressure systems that we have.
The TKF 1000 is a totally turnkey, metre by metre additive manufacturing cell that we've designed here from the ground up.
It has a 1000 by 1000 millimeters work platform, which is how it gets the name from. And then the key feature of this system is it has the capability of spraying 4 different powders at a time, thanks to its multi-hopper design, which means customer get to apply multiple materials all together, create an out-of-the-world brand new composite material.
So the TKF 1000 is primarily designed to assist R&D manufacturers, universities, and in the support of metal manufacturers for the defence and space industries.
So with TKF 1000, customer get to apply cold spray into their current application with tested and proven spray process and spray parameters without going through the whole testing phase, which has been done by us, which will contribute to customers' success and also improve their capabilities in terms of production lead time and also the design flexibility.
So the great thing about being a totally integrated and turnkey system is that we've included a shuttle table, a rotation axis, a high velocity air extraction unit, a soundproof enclosure, and an interface that is just so easy to use.
Titomic is a global company with people and resources and organizations all around the world. So we have teams of people in the US, in Europe, as well as in Asia Pacific to support you in your defense needs, oil and gas needs, or coating and repair needs. So if you have any questions, reach out to myself, reach out on our LinkedIn page, reach out to our website, titomic.com, and ask us the questions. And we are more than willing to stand by you, assist you, and solve your problems.